All right, this is how you actually, once you get those patterns of the Ionian and all the modes, this is how you practice it to actually connect the fretboard. So if you notice, there's an overlap, 3, 5, overlap of notes. 3, this is Ionian, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 9. So you got the Ionian, there's a 3, 5, and a 7, 3, 5, and I'm going to you do 2 strings at a time. That way it's simplified and you're only working on 2 strings at a time instead of trying to do all 6 at once. So you got Ionian, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And I'm doing just the low E string and the A string. So if you go up to the Dorian shape, you'll notice there's a 5, 7 and a 5, 7. So you do 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 9. So keep those numbers in mind, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 9. Now you go up to the Phrygian shape, there's a 7, 8, 10, 7, 9, 10. So there's a 7, 8, and a 7, 9 in the Dorian shape. There's a 7, 8, and a 7, 9 in the Phrygian shape, but you add 1 extra note. 7, 8, 10, 7, 9, 10. And then that works, and that's how you connect them, is through playing the overlap. 9, this is Lydian, 9, 9, 8, 10, 12, 9, 10, 12. As you can see, there was an 8 in the 8 and a 10 in the Phrygian. There's an 8 and a 10 in the Lydian. There was a 7, 9, 10. That's Phrygian. This is 7, 9, 10 in the Phrygian. In the Lydian, there's a 8, 10, 12, 9, 10, 12. So there's an overlap on each pattern or each scale or each mode. And that's how you start to connect the fretboard in that manner. And you can practice it doing 2 strings at a time. So you don't get overwhelmed with trying to connect 7 different modes, shapes, and 6 different strings. Just focus on 2 strings at a time. Get that under your belt. And now, the next video I'm going to do is I'm going to think of all the different ways that you can practice those modes and scales and patterns and connecting them. And instead of just going up and down the scale, which is great, you can do different things going up and down the scale to build different techniques.